Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. For those who would like to show the system monitor on the menu bar on macOS, here's the video for you. And just go to search engine and type start GitHub, alright? And the first link is the one that we can go. And after that, you can go to this one, released version. After click it, you can click download and then you can open it. After that, you just drag and drop into the application folder and open it. If it asks for any permission, just let it go. And then you can go to this option. If you have any idea that you want to customize, you can go to the setting and just play around with every single item. And here, the switch off or on button that you can allow it to show on the menu bar or not. And thanks for watching. That's all for the video.